Most of our world isn't flat. Think of a moving trucks ramp or a steep mountain road. On an incline, gravity doesn't just pull an object straight down, it splits its force into two jobs. One part of gravity pulls the object parallel to the surface. That's the force that makes it want to slide. The other part pulls it perpendicularly, straight into the ramp. The ramp pushes back with an equal and opposite normal force, perfectly canceling that into pull. By tilting our perspective, we make a complex problem simple. But what if we aren't just sliding? What if we're pulling something with a rope? This is where tension comes in. Tension is the pulling force transmitted through a cable or string. Think of it as a messenger. In an ideal rope slung over a frictionless pulley, the tension is the same at both ends. It's the invisible link that allows one mass to communicate force to another, even if they aren't touching. Now, let's connect these ideas. Imagine a block on a table tied by a rope to another block hanging over the edge via a pulley. It looks complicated, but there's a powerful shortcut called the system method. Instead of analyzing each block separately, treat them as a single object. Their total mass is just the two masses added together. And what's the one external force pulling this entire system into motion? It's simply the weight of the hanging block. To find the acceleration, you just divide that single pulling force by the total mass of the system. Once you know how fast the whole system is accelerating, you can zoom back in on just one of the blocks to easily calculate the tension in the rope. This isn't just for exams. These principles are how we build cranes, design bridges, and even land rovers on other planets using tethers. By seeing a complex machine as a unified system, we unlock the physics that holds our world together.